everybody, good 2025. We've got a wonderful patient here with multiple infected and damaged nail, and this patient is on terbinafine since November, and you can see actually from the nail root there's not much clearance, is there, Sahar? Yeah, can you see that? So by now I would expect actually to see some kind of clearance in the nail. So this tells me that the infection is really deep rooted. The nail goes from there, inside, and it's just really stubborn. So we're gonna just remove it and then see how they grow out. So I'm just going to go in and then pop. They do come out very easily, especially if they're like firm, kind of. Very firm nails. There we go. So the main thing is to loosen them up first. So you can see a large patch of fungus on the side there. Good. Just do some jabbing. What we're going to do now is just twist the nail. I'm going to start off with the fifth one. So that's one nail there. Good. We'll do some top up there. Second one. Very gently twist. There you go. Number two. Amazing. Number three. Twist. Both sides. Number four. Like that. And then this one. No, it's not coming out. So I'm just going to twist. Everything okay? Done. Just turn that off. Is just look at all the debris. So we've got a little bit of debris here. Remove that a little bit. This one's really good. So what I'm going to do is just have a look at all the nail roots. Some of the little debris. Very important to triple double check. Good. There's something and just here. Infected nail there. Important to clean that away. Just double check. So what I want to do is just check this one more time. Does look good. I'm really happy. Just gonna. Can I have some spray, please? That's fantastic. Thank you. So if you keep the area too moist, it could increase the risk of infection. So we just really want to dry it early.